Hey there, John with you. It's August 27th, 2024. This is a walk around, a demo of a 1967 Honda CB77 Superhawk I just finished restoring. I've restored 35 vintage Hondas since 2016. This is my 12th Superhawk. With all the restorations, everything gets taken down to bare metal. Everything gets, the frame gets sandblasted, engine gets completely taken apart. The engine gets, vapor blasted. Some of the side panels get painted, the side panels and certain engine parts get painted cloud silver and then baked in my grill. Everything else, the metal, the steel parts get sandblasted to bare metal and then painted using high quality, automotive grade, two-part primers, two-part catalyzed, top coats and clears. This is just a jet black, and then we've got cloud silver on certain parts, like the aluminum fork lowers are cloud silver, the side covers cloud silver, and the fenders cloud silver, and the little taillight bracket and everything. The seat was completely recovered. A lot of the bright work was re-chromed. The tank panels were re-chromed. The shift lever, the shock, lower parts of the shocks. The these little trim rings here, the headlight bezel, it's got everything it's supposed to have, all the correct cables, everything's brand new, all the cables are new and lubricated, and it's got the mud flap that it's supposed to have, the chain guard, brand new chain, brand new tires, tubes, rim strips. The tires are all the correct size that you would have found, a 275/18 rib tread up front, and a 30/18 block tread in the back, and I get those from David Silver Spares. There's a separate video that shows all the electrical functions working. Let's go ahead and fire her up. So she's cold right now, and we'll turn the fuel on. Here's the petcock. Not a whole lot of fuel. I'll put it on reserve. And we'll give it about 3/4 choke. And we'll turn the key on, hit the electric start. Tend to be a little cold-blooded. I'm sure. Choke we need to get an idle right now, but idling away, and there'll be a separate video that shows her running and driving. So anyway, thanks for watching. She's a beauty.